Let's take a look at the question on the board. This is trigonometric equation. The question says find the values of theta when it is 0 degree less than theta less than or equal to theta less than or equal to 360 degree, which satisfy the equation here. 8 sine square theta plus 6 cos theta minus 9 equal to 0. How do we solve this equation? The first thing we need to look at is the identities of this trigonometric. Are they the same? They are not. We need to make them to be the same identities. So we are saying we know that sine square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1, right? We are substituting this for cos square theta. How do we do that? Sine square theta equal to 1 minus cos square theta. This cos square is coming down here, become minus, right? In the place of sine square theta, we are writing 1 minus cos square theta. We have substituted it now. So we have 8 sine square theta. In the place of sine, we are writing 1 minus cos square theta plus 6 cos theta minus 9 equal to 0. So let's multiply through. 8 times 1, 8 minus 8 cos square theta plus 6 cos theta minus 9 equal to 0. Collecting like terms. Now we have minus 8 cos square theta plus 6 cos theta minus 1. 8 minus 9, that's minus 1. So we introduce minus here to eliminate this negative that is outside. So minus times minus will give us positive, plus to be 8 cos square theta minus times plus minus 6 cos theta minus times minus plus 1 equal to 0. Now we have arrived at another equation here now. Here we have 8 cos square theta minus 6 cos theta plus 1 equal to 0. So we represent this cos theta with any variable of your choice. So let's say let cos theta be t. Let's use t. We are saying 8t square, cos here is square, minus 6t plus 1 equal to 0. So what's the next thing we do? We factorize this. How do we factorize? We look for two numbers that when you multiply that two numbers, it will give us 8. When we add that two numbers, it will give us minus 6. So we need to think fast. When you are doing factorization, think of the number. So we are using minus 4t minus 2t. Minus 4t times minus 2t will give us 8t square. Positive 8t square. Minus 4t minus 2t will give us minus 6t. So in the place of this 6, minus 6, this is what we are putting there. We are not writing this minus 6 again. We are writing 8t square minus 4t minus 2t plus 1 equal to 0. So let's bracket it. We have minus here. So there is invisible 1 here. So let's multiply through. 8t square minus 4t minus 1 times 2t, that is minus 2t minus 1 times plus 1 minus 1 equal to 0. So good. We are saying which number, when you multiply, it will give you 8t squared, and we have 40. Which number? We need to think very well. Is 4. 4t bracket 2t minus 1. So 4t times 2t, it will give us 8t squared. 4t times minus 1 will give us minus 4. We have minus 1 into 2t minus 1. So we take this one outside. This binomial expression will take 1. They must be the same thing. So we pick 1. So we have 4t minus 1, bracket it, then 2t minus 1. Remember, we have 4t minus 1, then 2t minus 1, which means t equal to 1 all over 4, and or t equal to 1 all over 2. So what is 1 all over 4? If we use our calculator, t equal to 0.25 or 0.5. Now we have gotten to this extent. We are now saying we are going back to the equation which says 8 cos squared theta minus 6 cos theta plus 1 equal to 0. So we have represent cos theta to be t. Remember that, which is cos theta equal to t, right? So we are now saying cos 0.25. This is the theta. How do we find that? If we are using calculator, we have to press shift then cos. It will take us to inverse of cos. That is cos minus 1 0.25. If we do that, the answer is 75.52 degree if we use our calculator, or if we use our phone. You see inverse, press inverse, it will take you to this. Now if cos theta is 0.5, so what are we having? Inverse of cos equal to 60 degree. That is, this is the degree that will satisfy this equation. We've not arrived to the final answer yet. We go to our quadrant. Excuse me. This is our quadrant. The first value we find for cos is the first quadrant, where all the signs, all the signs are positive. Cos is positive, sine is positive, tan is positive. Then this is the first quadrant, 75.52 degree. Of course is 60 degree. This is the first quadrant. We now go to where cos is positive. Is it in second, third, or fourth? Where we see that cos is positive is in fourth quadrant, which is 360 minus theta. So we take fourth quadrant to find it, because the equation says 0 degree less than or equal to theta less than equal to 360 degree. So we are saying 360 minus 75.52. The answer will give us 284.48 degree. Then when cos is 60, it will be 360 degree minus 60 degree. So the answer is 300. So the values that will satisfy this equation will be 60, 75.52 degree, then 284.48 degree, then 300 degree is our answer.